Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Money Magnets, a teaching platform that was put together by Kneller Fernandes. So basically, he teaches affiliates how to generate traffic, leads, and also to make money online. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this platform works. And do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I've also added some of my bonuses today, provided you're grabbing within this time frame. So all my 5 bonuses shall automatically be added. But do not forget that Kneller has also added 3 of his bonuses. So even if it's just the front end that you're purchasing today, guys, you have access to 8 awesome bonuses. Yes. So without further ado, let me take you guys to the sales page. Let's see how what Kneller is saying today about this product. So he's saying that these money magnets build passive income streams for them daily, and if you order online, that you get the system set up. Okay, now, and remember guys that he has also for the benefit of the doubt, he has given like a 30-day money back guarantee. So invariably, if you purchase and you do not like it within 30 days, you can be refunded. And I'm going to take you to the 3 steps that you need to deploy to get this platform working. So the first one, of course, you get to, after you must have purchased, you get to like pick your niche, and then you add in the money links, and of course you activate your traffic streams. Yes, it's just the 3 simple steps that he has said you need to deploy. And again, guys, let me take you to so this is Kneller here and his partner. Let me take you guys to the bonuses that he has added. So the first bonus here is exclusive promotion, right? And then the second one, you get a chance to join them in a free webinar. The third bonus is you get to use their course as your lead magnet. Yes. And speaking of bonuses, guys, let me then show you the ones that I've added today. So the first bonus that you shall be getting from me today is access to 24K followers in 24 hours. Yes. And then the second one is also a hack that teaches you how to access 2 high quality tutorial traffic assets that you can use. And then the third one is access to Eclipse, and this applies to the first 12 hours only. And then the third one is the Fuego multiplier. This is also more for list building. And then guys, the fifth one, of course, you have access to all vendor bonuses. And as a reminder, if you signed in through Warrior Plus, to be able to have access to all these bonuses, click on the blue button down below where it says access affiliate bonus. Click on it, and then my bonuses should automatically be added. If it's through JVZoo, where the red arrow is pointed at, click on that buzz there, and then all the bonuses shall be added. Yes guys, I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly show you guys the prices and the upsells. So the front end of this product is actually $17. So with $17, guys, you have access to the software and the training modules. The upsell one, which is the done for you funnel in 3 niches, is $67. The second upsell is also a done for you funnel in one niche each, which is $37. The upsell 3 is the license right, so you get to sell, pretty much you owning the right to sell this product yourself. And then of course the fourth upsell is the coaching, which is $197. So you get 1 month coaching to help you with everything with regards to their system. I already mentioned these are some of the benefits that you'll be getting from this product. So of course you have more like a complete business in a box, and then 100% free traffic training included inside, easy to set up, no monthly fees or expenses, 0 tech skills or experience required, and of course it's 100% beginner friendly. All right guys, I have shown you the sales page, and then I've shown you, I've discussed the bonuses, and then the prizes. Yeah, the prizes. Now guys, let me take you to the members area. Let's see how it looks like. So right here guys, if you log in, this is what you see. This is more like the and let me move this a little bit for a better view. So once you log in, this is what you see guys. This is from here you can log in and out, and then this is basically the dashboard. And if you click on lead magnet or the intro, let's see what let's click on the intro and see what happens. So for some reason the internet is sort of slow today. Okay, so click on it. Let's take a listen.
Hey, welcome to Money Magnets. Okay, for those who do not know me, quick introduction. I am Kneller Fernandes. I was a seafarer, a master mariner for 8 years, and I sailed for about 25 years before I decided to hang my sea boots. Okay, so I got off the ship for the last time in 2019, and I've been doing internet marketing ever since, even before that, in fact. Okay, so that's me. Okay, so let's see what you need to do going forward. First and foremost, join the Facebook group. A link will be down below. So why you want to join the Facebook group? You're going to get all the support in the Facebook group from me and others in the group. So it's well worth your time joining the Facebook group. Secondly, there are either 1 or 2 webinars depending on when you see this. Okay, and they're by some of my mentors who I have learned from, and they will be showing you 2 different business models. Okay, and something that you might want to check out and maybe imbibe in your own business. There's something which is really cool. So check those out. Okay, they take a little bit of time, so schedule a bit of time and get those done. Really worth your time. Check them out. Okay, 2 webinars should be there. Next is to join my YouTube channel. Again, link will be down. And then finally go through the course the way it is designed. Okay, there's a method to the madness. So I will see you in the other videos. Check them out. Take care. All the best and to your success.
All right. Now, guys, that's the intro from Kneller Fernandes. And then let's take a look at this, the one that says email. The money is in the list. Let's take a listen to the overview right here.
The system, how the system all works together. How in this module I'll be talking about the overview of the system, how the system all works together, how the bird's eye view, in other words, and why each component fits into each other. Okay, so let's look at it from a holistic point of view. So now what many people do when they're trying to earn online is okay, you have people either through Facebook groups or maybe things like Reddit, Quora, etc. They try to drive traffic. These are people here, okay, which is essentially traffic, and they have an offer. Maybe it's their own. Very rarely it would be their own, but they have an offer, and they will drive traffic directly to the offer. So this could be an affiliate offer or their own offer, which they are driving traffic to. Now this does not work. Okay, for many reasons it does not work. One, it is spamming. You must have seen many people just include links, especially if you're part of some certain Facebook groups, etc. You'll find people just spamming with various links of their own. Okay, so do not do that. That is not the way to go. Plus, you'll never earn from this model. Okay. Also, other people try different things like Amazon or Google Okay, so this is your Google AdSense. So either Amazon, certain products from Amazon, or put in links from Google onto your websites, etc. Unless you have very targeted traffic, if you have a very audience who's following you, this again also does not work. Okay, so driving traffic to any kind of offer like this, especially if you're just starting off, will not work. Okay, so what are we going to do? How are we going to be different from these people? Do not be like these guys, targeting traffic to different offers like this, which do not work. So let me erase this and let's see how we are going to do it. Okay, so now we have again people, traffic. We are going to send this traffic, and we have our offer. We look at what our offer is and how we're actually going to get all these things, okay, in the upcoming modules. But before the offer, we're going to have them go into our landing page or money pages, as some people like to call it. Okay, so you have landing pages here, and you have then the offer. Okay, OFF, that's the offer. Okay, so why do you have this landing page in between? There are various reasons. Okay, so the reasons are, firstly, you have it as a buffer. This is a buffer. It's not Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Okay, so it's a buffer.
Okay, guys, now I have shown you a little bit of what Kneller has to offer through this platform. So from here, I mean, you have seen he's teaching about the overview and the nature. You can start with your money in the list, and then this other training is about earning commissions through Warrior Plus JVSU and ClickBank. And then the third one, the traffic, free traffic, and all of that, and then the bonuses right here. And also, you can also upgrade to the different funnels that he has created. And then if you have questions or issues, you can click on the support right here, send an email or a ticket, and then they definitely will respond. All right, guys, now you have seen pretty much everything. I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the bonuses, I have shown you the prices and the upsells, and then the members area, how it looks like. Basically, that's all I have to offer to you guys today. Hopefully this will resonate with you depending on what you're looking for. And then again, if you know somebody that this offer will also help, guys, do not forget to share. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and for sharing. And guys, you stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video.